Hello, my name is Juliette Edes, I'm 11 years old, and this is my voiceover reel. No, it's not that, Daddy. I know what I want to do with my life. I want to find ETI. I want to be the first human to make contact. My name said he's got everything, astronomy, physics, and incorporates almost every discipline. And I think I can do it, Daddy. I think it can be me. But there's so much to learn. I have to start right away. I'll start tonight! In the ruins of a place once known as North America lies the nation of Panem, a shining capital surrounded by 12 outlying districts. The capital is harsh and cruel and keeps the districts in line by forcing them all to send one boy and one girl between the ages of 12 and 18 to participate in the annual Hunger Games, a fight to the death on live TV. Shh. Please. I'm sorry, but we've got to be very quiet, or we'll frighten the spirits away. Come, let's everyone hold hands. You too, Becky. Let's close our eyes and think. What do you suppose Becky's mother would want to say to her? I think she'd say a bit about where she is now, where there are fields and fields of flowers, and soft wind is always blowing. Now, Linus, I want you to take a good look at Charlie Brown's face. Would you please hold still a minute, Charlie Brown? I want Linus to study your face. Now, this is what you call a failure face, Linus. Notice how it has failure written all over it. Study it carefully, Linus. You rarely see such a good example. Notice the deep lines, the dull, vacant look in the eyes. Yes, I would say this is one of the finest examples of a failure face that you're liable to see for a long while. What kind of work do you do for the witch? I'm a kidnapper. I'm supposed to kidnap innocent children and bring them to her. I'm sure you wouldn't do anything of the sort. But I am doing it at this very moment. What do you mean? I'm supposed to take you to the witch. But she won't. Will you, Mr. Tumnus?